guys, welcome back to another video. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Vanessa. Today I'm going to be creating this super sultry cool tone smoky eye. It's super simple and very easy to achieve. So I knew that I wanted to create a smoky eye that was achievable with this very affordable, this is a drugstore palette. I've talked about this before. This is the Revolution Forever Flawless Allure palette. It has some beautiful like browns, it has some very cool tone berry shades, some very nice metallics in here, and then the black I used for today's look is from the very first Life's a Drag Manny's MUA's palette. So this is the black we used today. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I upload Mondays and Thursdays, so don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed this video. And without further ado, let's get into it. So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. For my lip liner, I used the shade Nude Truffle by NYX. Super affordable and a drugstore favorite of mine. And for the lip color, I used the MAC Nude. This is like a very more rich brown nude. This is the shade Bronx by MAC. It's super creamy and velvety. That's the shade right there. And then I also forgot to show in today's video that I applied the lip liner, my favorite. This is the bronze shade that I also have spoken about. That's what's in my waterline, because sometimes black is a little intimidating and it's just a little harsh on the eye. So that's one of my favorite drugstore brown eyeliners, so I thought I should share. So all my makeup details will be in the description box below as always. Please don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed, and that subscribe button so you join the family, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you. Bye.